Here to Better Western Mass here on this Monday. I'm Taylor Jacobs. So if you want to embrace a do-it-yourself lifestyle in 2021, there's a new publication. It's out from the National Geographic to help you out here. It's called Simple Sustainability, and it's packed with recipes, but also projects that you can tackle in the new year. Not only are these projects fun, but they're also good for the environment. Take a look.
It's very much building skills, and I hope that people will walk away from reading this with the idea that they can tackle some of these skills and that they're fun. The idea of doing things yourself, it's kind of a twofold thing for me, in that we can cut out the middleman. We can cut out that person who's baking the bread for us and counting on that bread showing up at the supermarket. But it's also good for our souls. It's good for your soul to be able to make something and feed it to your loved ones. And of course, then on top of that, it's delicious. I kind of have this soft spot in my heart for this biscuit recipe in the bookazine, because after the photographer, Laura Chase, took the pictures, she emailed me to tell me, oh my gosh, they're just like the biscuits I remember having when I was growing up. For other people who are out there kind of trying to adopt some more self-reliant skills or, sustainable living skills, they're afraid because it's something new. I hesitated to learn to make soap because it sounded so scary. You had to mix all these things, and there's all these warnings about being careful. I liked the idea of it, but I hadn't tackled it until probably 4 or 5 years ago. I tackled it for the first time. And once I did it, it's like, what were you waiting for? And that's another, within this book, having the different things that people can try. Give sewing a hand. See if that's the thing that really calls to you. Did you really, get excited by making something yourself out of fabric? And maybe fabric's not your thing, so you don't want to go invest in that sewing machine. Try something else. I think that it's going to depend on personalities and what different people are interested in, as far as which thing that they're really going to grab and go, oh my gosh, this is going to change my life. We're going to keep doing this.
There it is. Follow your passions, folks. Well, Simple Sustainability is available at local stores now, or you can order a copy at magazine.store. The special issue is published as well by the same company that owns this news station right here. That's the Meredith Corporation.